Okay, hello and welcome to Live Room. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up a top rope anchor and then also clean it. Okay, first step, hooking with your personal anchor. Second step, take a quick draw and clip it into the top one and then clip it to your rope. And then after that, you want to take this quick draw and put it into that doohickey right there. Don't remember the name. And then you want to take this quick draw. It has to be a locking quick draw too, so you can't accidentally fall. And clip it in with the same as this one into this top one, not this bottom one, and then also into your rope. And then of course you want to lock it like any human being with common sense. You don't want to fall to your death. And then now that you have this done, that is basically it. And then you can go down, unclip that, and clear as you go down. Okay, now I'm gonna clear the anchor. So, how you clear the anchor is the obvious step one. Which is clipping in your personal anchor at the top one like last time. Now you can free hang like this. But you want to be able to reach this, which I can't right now. So I'm just gonna redo it. Okay. Now I can work easily with this. So now that you're clipped into your personal anchor, you'll want to get some slack and then put this like this much, and then put it through this bottom ring right here and shove it through that, and then shove it through the other ring like so, and then pull enough slack that you can tie a figure eight. If you don't know how to tie a figure eight, then I don't know, watch a Live Room episode or something. Yeah, just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then you want to take another locking carabiner and clip into that like so, and now you can clean. So unlock this carabiner here and just take off each of these quick draws and then put them on your harness like that. You do not want to fiddle with this or this. If you do, you will fall and you will die, most likely, unless you're like very gamer. And then now that you have that, you can untie this right here, the other figure eight that's keeping you alive. So now that you have this, you can untie this and safely go down. So let me just quickly untie this. If you don't know how to untie a figure eight, then watch a Live Rogue video. Okay, so now that I have this untied, you can pull it through this. So it's a tail of your other figure eight, and now you're ready to go down. So you want to pull yourself up where this is loose enough that you can unclip it, and then clip it to your harness, and now you can safely go down.